So I'm in this group and I might have a potential job by this person. So I want to see if it's legitimate or not. This person wrote randomly on this group, we need active freelancers who has an Upwork account less than 5 years. I'm not sure what any of that means, but they wrote translation here. I was curious, so I wrote, who is we? He said, we need someone. Is it a company? Then please mention the company name and give us a website, email address, etc. But she just wrote, kindly message a project directly on WhatsApp with username for more info about this job. Okay. Well, let's see. Sarah Mokoena. Okay. Let's look at her profile. Oh, she used to look very different before. I mean, I guess she got her hair dyed or something. She's from Botswana. I'm curious about something. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to search this image on Google. Let's select the whole image here. Nope, can't find it there, but let's look at the source. Hey, look at that. I did find something. Inna Zviatenko. Yeah, that pretty much looks like the same person. Let's see if we can actually... Oh, there we go. Well, Sarah Mokoena, either you change your name and move to Botswana, or you might be lying to me. What should I do? By the way, this person replied 6. And so she said, kindly message your project directly on Telegram, because you can tell this person's going to be a great translator, and that's why, because they're so picky about it. And wrote Jason Alex. So I asked, hi Sarah, who is Jason Alex? But apparently he's the project director who's in charge of interviewing workers before giving out project details, of course. Anyway, this group is replete with scams. It's full of scams. So at this point, it's just entertainment more than anything. Unfortunately, it has 86,000 members, and plenty of people seem to be replying that they're interested and that they want to work on these things. And I try to warn them about it. But yeah, anyway, I think I should just leave the group because it's depressing.